Hello dear student, I am Ujjwal Mollik, an assistant teacher, English, Kosuria Bazar, HSMM Secondary School, Mollahat, Bagerhat. I think you are safe and sound in this pandemic COVID-19. Today I will discuss one verb for class 9 standard. Our today's topic is the use right form of verbs. Let's see on the blackboard. There are some examples. Number one, Rana be a good student. Her subject is Rana. And in the number two, the boys be playing cricket. Her subject boys. That means I want to say if the subject is in singular form, then the verb will be is in singular form. That means the answer will be is oblique was. As it has no sign of the tense, so we can use is or was. Both are in singular form. In the number two, the boys subject is in plural form, boys. So we have to use plural verb. That means are or oblique were. As we have no sign of tense, we can use are oblique were. So by these two examples we can learn if subject is in singular form, then verb will be in singular form. If subject is in plural form, then verb will be in plural form. In number 3, they always to help the helpless. Here is a word always. In number 4, she often to come here. Here is a word often. In number 3 and 4, we find two different words, always and often. If there is no mention of time in a sentence, present or past, but there is a word like always, often, normally, usually, generally, etc., we have to use present indefinite tense. So the answer will be help. Help. As subject is in plural form, we have to use help. If the subject was in singular form, we would have used helps. Then she is in singular form, so we have to use singular verb. In present indefinite tense, the to come verb will be comes. That means as there is a word often indicates present indefinite tense, but she is in singular form, so we have to add s to the verb come. Next, number 5, yesterday we visit a farmhouse. Yesterday is a sign of past. In number 6, I see him last week. Last week indicates past tense. So in these two sentence we have to use past indefinite tense. That means the verb will be visit, visited. In number 6, verb see, we have to use it in past form. So, then we learn by these two sentences there is an indication of past tense. Yesterday, last week, and there are also some words ago, last night, last day, the previous day, previous month, previous year. That means the past indication. Let's see another example. Let's see another example. Number 7. We reach the station just now. Here, just now. In number 8, Karim already to finish his duty. There are two words in these two sentences, just now and already. These two words indicate present perfect tense. So we have to use the verb reach is in present perfect tense. That means we should write have reached. Here the subject is in plural form, we. So we have used have. Then Karim. Karim is in singular form. And there is a word already. So we have to use the verb is in present perfect tense. That means has finished. So if there is a word like just now, just, already, recently, never, ever, yet, we have to use the verb is in present perfect tense. In number 9, it is high time we start the work. Here, it is high time. In number 10, it is time you to prepare yourself. If there is it is time or high time in a sentence and a subject, we have to use the verb is in past indefinite tense. That means the answer will be started. And prepared. As we find it is time, it is high time. In these two sentences, we have to use the verb is in past indefinite tense. That means the answer started and prepared. This is all today, and I think you will practice in your home to solve some problems just like this on the basis of the verb. Thank you all.